Hello everyone. Why are wireless video transmissions used in professional drones? Most still use composite. Mainly because, although this analog video has very poor anti-jamming capabilities, but his interference tolerance is indeed very good. In other words, analog transmission. It doesn't disappear immediately. It can slowly rot. Then your human eye can still recognize video. But it's different with digital numbers. He might have been good at first. Suddenly, there are no video. Or there might be mosaic. This is the aircraft used in this field. Players cannot accept this. We are thinking of saying, this professional camera. The camera used is a CVBS camera. Can we convert a USB camera into a CVBS camera? I didn't mean. They need to replace it with a Logitech camera, the original drone camera. This is because USB cameras offer a wider selection. For example, this time it's a consumer-grade Logitech camera. This is an endoscope. It is very, very small. That kind of thing. It is very suitable for use on this aircraft. So, my idea is that we act as a converter. Convert UVC to CVBS. This is the one. UVC input. CVBS out. This one weighs only 11 grams. It is extremely lightweight. First, connect this converter to the UVC camera source. I'll start by experimenting with a Logitech camera CVBS output. I connected to the TV. Let's connect the power last. This is a DC 5-volt power supply. After connecting, your TV will then have a live video. Look. At this time, your Logitech camera. This then becomes the output of CVBS. I could also switch to this type of professional USB endoscope. It is very small. Because of endoscopes like this, most of them are made into this USB output. So I connected this converter. It also becomes the output of composite. Pull this out. We're connected. Look. See how to use this method? This allows the USB camera to be converted into a composite output. Connect to your TV. So what is the output of composite? You can use 5.8G, 2.4G wireless modulation. This is an analog transmission. If you're on a computer today, how do I connect to this CVBS video feed? Our company also produces a product called FPV 100 UVC capture card. This can be done on your Apple computer. Alternatively, you can capture CVBS images on a Windows computer. This is a Mac computer. I connected the FPV 100 UVC capture card. Then we can connect the CVBS source back in. You can use OBS. Alternatively, you can enable the built-in QuickTime feature. I use QuickTime. This is a built-in camera. This is CVBS. You see, this footage comes from just this one camera. Let me emphasize again, why use this UVC to CVBS converter? This is mainly because the main cameras on our market. USB output is the mainstream. Regardless of this type of document camera, they are all UVC. Isn't it convenient? You can also use Pocket 3. The Pocket 3 has its own USB output. Turn Pocket 3 into composite output. I didn't mean to. You need to take Pocket 3 or Pocket 4. Treat it as a camera for a drone. It's because this USB camera is so widely available. You can buy it anywhere in the market. Compared to this CVBS camera, its low-cost structure and high selectivity. This is a UVC to CVBS converter. You can use inexpensive UVC cameras on the market. Output as composite. It's that simple.